happened?
I just hurt me my finger.
Oh, you hurt your finger?
Yeah.
What kind of dinosaur is that?
Buddy.
Oh, it's Buddy.
Yeah. I have his feet.
He has feet?
Mommy?
But what kind of dinosaur? Is he a pterodon?
No, not Dodon.
What kind of dinosaur is he?
Hands.
He has hands?
Yeah.
And how can you get him to make noise?
They have eyes.
He has eyes too.
They have.
And what happens when you press his tongue?
Ow.
He bit you.
What do
What?
What do still?
T-Rex. And he moves his arms.
Mommy, my tooth come out.
His tooth came out?
Yeah. Look.
Does he have a lot of teeth?
Yeah. They had this. Ah!
What does he say?
Gross.
Oh, it's not gross.
Open.
Yeah? Does he have a pink tongue?
He goes.
Press on his tongue. See what happens.
Look. Mommy, there was.
Yeah, touch it. Do you love Buddy?